In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new site in WIX. We'll walk through this together from inside your WIX account so you can follow along on your own screen. The process is quick, but I'll slow it down and explain what's happening so you feel confident doing it on your own next time. First, make sure you're logged into your WIX account in your browser. Once you're in, look at the top area of your dashboard. You should see the name of your current site displayed there. This is usually near the top left or in the main toolbar of the WIX dashboard. Go ahead and click on your site name. When you click it, a drop-down or panel will open, showing a list of your existing sites along with an option to create a new one. This site menu is essentially your home base for managing multiple projects within WIX, so it's good to get used to finding it easily. Now, from this menu, look for the option that says Create New Site. Click on Create New Site. This tells WIX that you want to start a completely separate website, not just edit the one you already have. After you click that, WIX will take you into a simple setup flow. From here, your job is to follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, WIX will first ask what kind of website you want to create, like a business site, an online store, a blog, or a portfolio. Choose the category that best fits your goal. This helps WIX suggest more relevant templates and tools for you. Next, you may be asked a few quick questions about your site's purpose, the features you need, and your level of experience. Answer these honestly. There's no right or wrong answer, and it just helps WIX tailor the setup experience. In some cases, WIX might offer to create a site for you automatically using its wizard, or let you choose a template and design it yourself. Pick the option you're most comfortable with. If you're a beginner, letting WIX guide you is often the easiest path. Continue clicking through the prompts, and don't rush. Take a moment to read each screen so you understand what you're selecting, especially when it comes to features like online bookings, payments, or a blog. Once you've completed the on-screen steps, WIX will generate your new site and open it in the editor or dashboard, ready for you to start customizing. And that's all there is to creating a new site in WIX.